everyone wants to race their Miata until something breaks.
All right, I got another tech tip for you guys. Anybody who's got the 6-speed Mazda MX-5 NC model, a common problem is the shift fork for the number 5 and reverse breaks. And it's not something that you need to be afraid of. It's something you can switch pretty easy. Transmission comes out of the car real quick. I have a lift. It takes about 30 minutes to pull the whole transmission out. If you're doing it at home on jack stands, maybe it's an hour because you got to set it up. But they come out real easy. The top plate, the shifter assembly, comes out real fast. This is it. This is the shift fork that breaks. One roll pin, knock that out, pull the shaft, put the new shift fork in, put it back in, seal it back onto the top of the transmission, fill it with oil, and you're back on to install. All right, so one thing to be cautious about is this little guide roller. He'll fall off and drop right to the bottom, not the end of the world. You just use a magnet to get it, but if you don't know it's dropped, that's when it's a problem. While it's out, change the clutch, surface the flywheel, but that's it. It's one roll pin and you're back in the game. So don't be afraid to break into your transmission. It's just a shifter fix. You're not getting into the internals. It's super easy. You should definitely try it. I think you'll be happy with your success. This is a Bent Motorsports Tech Tip. We'll see you next time.